Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. As you see, this just arrived. This is a Marx 6000. I found this on eBay for 10 bucks. And the guy said it does not run at all. His exact words, put it on the rail, it does nothing. So whenever I see that, I buy them. This was a buy it now, $10. It was on there several days and no one bought it, so I figured I would go ahead and see what I could do with this. If I can get it open anyway. And hopefully there are no peanuts. Woohoo! All right. There's the locomotive. Get this box out of the way. All right, let's make sure I'm in frame here. All right. Now, it appeared to be complete. There was only two pictures of it. So, you never know actually what you're going to get buying something from a photograph. Especially when there's only two of them. But like I said, the guy said put it on the rail, it does nothing. Alright. There's the locomotive. Get this out of the way. It has a tag, B247. No idea what that's supposed to mean. Alright, check the motor. Motor turns right enough. It's hard to tell anything on these motors. You can't see them. They're hanging from a bracket, as you see. But it appears to be intact and complete. Alright, let me take a locomotive off the rail. Alright, before we do anything else, let's pull this off the rail, or off the tripod. Take a look at this. As you see, it appears to be complete. There's already a problem. What the heck is going on here? Oh, I see. The motor's completely out of place, as you see. All right, well, I'll have to disassemble it before I can do anything else. As you see, the motor's been popped out of the guide here. So, nothing I can do until I pull the motor out. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. 10 bucks on eBay. Like I said, it was on there for several days and no one bought it. It was a buy it now, $10. As you see, overall condition is actually not bad. It appears to be complete. So, I've got to get the motor popped back into position. So while the motor's out, I'll probably just do a follow-up video and see what the problem is with the motor. He said it does not run. He said put it on the rail, it does nothing. The only way to tell, of course, is to put it on the rail and see. But before I can do anything, I've got to pull the motor out to get it repositioned. Anyway, I just want to do a unboxing video. 10 bucks on eBay, and was a buy it now, and no one bought it. I watched it for a couple days. So, in any case, went ahead and bought it. If nothing else, I can use it for parts, but just depends on what the problem is with this. It's so hard to see these motors. They're hanging from a bracket, from a screw right there. So I've got to pull a motor out before I can do anything else, but I just want to do an unboxing video. And I'll do a follow-up after I get the motor out. We'll take it from there. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.